He's our member on body training gym. Mr. Muhammad from New Zealand.
From New Zealand.
He is very experienced in martial arts, especially. Train himself with kick and boxing. Thank you.
9